What is going on, Seafood View Nation? We are currently almost in Florida and we are in the worst tropical storm in history. There are hail the size of golf balls hitting our car rapidly. Hey guys, it's about 6 a.m. here. We're driving through the morning. It's a little rainy out, as you can see. So I just want to talk about our little donation. So every hour we're going to be needing donations. We're going to be needing to make stops or need to get gas. We're going to need to buy food, so make sure you donate just $1 per hour. That's all we need. We're going to need to buy stuff when we get to Florida, so make sure you keep donating. Thank you guys. The Patreon link is below. Our PayPal, I think, will be in the description of this video. So thanks guys, keep donating. Hey guys, we just got an alert for a tornado warning. Right there. I think the tornado, it was over there like a second ago. It might have just disappeared. We're in Atlanta still. A lot to do here, a lot of sightseeing. What is going on, Seafood View Nation? We are currently almost in Florida and we are in the worst tropical storm in history. There are hail the size of golf balls hitting our car rapidly. It's pretty dangerous. I am dead. It's pretty scary out here. It's crazy. There are cars flying off the road at 90 miles an hour and exploding. What is up, guys? As you can see, we just got into Lake City. We're about 2 minutes out from Jimmy's Graham's house and we're about to have a blast. What's up, guys? We're going to Jacksonville right now, just passing through. We just passed Blake Bortles in his car. It's pretty cool. Hey guys, we're about to go under the Golden Gate Bridge. Oh, there it is, there it is. We're going over the Golden Gate Bridge to get to Daytona Beach. There's the Atlantic Ocean right there.
What up, guys? We finally made it to the cribbo. To the cribbo for the next week.
Spring break. Spring break. We're here. We're here. Where is everyone? I don't see anyone here. Where's the beach? Where the hose at? El Caribe Resort and Conference Center. We made it. We are here. We made it.
Ugh.
Going up to our floor. Yeah. Welcome. Oh my gosh. Here she is. The 7 Seas. Oh, here's Adam's bed, my bed, Austin's bed, and Chris's bed on the floor. He's loving all this floor space.
So much floor space. Oh God.
Got a nice little table over here. This is where we're gonna be eating breakfast. We got 5 seats, so maybe we can have a guest over or something. The fridge, it didn't come pre-stocked, I don't think. We got a nice little ocean view over here. Go check out here. Stocked up.
Stack it up, yeah. Stack it up, yeah. Spring break, yeah. 2K19, yeah.
Hey guys, this is the bathroom. Looking pretty nice. Spring break.
Spring break, yeah. We running, yeah. Why you got your shoes off? Yeah. What up, gang? What up, gang? We out here walking on that strip. You feel me? Let me take over for this thing. So we out here, you feel me? Walking on this strip. My boy Austin back here. Say hello to the people.
What's up, vlog?
What's up, vlog? So we out here, you feel me? We out here walking around. It's pretty dead. Not a lot of action going on. But we about to go back to the room, get litty, you feel me, since it's pretty dead out here. So we'll catch up with you at another time, peoples. Be peaceful, be lovely, and donate to the channel.
Make sure to donate so we don't go hungry.
Yeah, make sure we don't go hungry. Feed the people.
Keep those donations rolling in.
Keep them rolling in. Don't just stop donations. You better not stop. Peace.
Thinking about getting a tattoo later on. We should have stayed at the Grand Prix Hotel.
Are you sure? You sure that's how you pronounce it?
Yeah.
No, we should stay at the Rad Motet. The Rad, and they got a Motet.
There's a crazy plane crash right there.